Hi, my name's Jordan, and I'm going to pop in every once in a while when an example might help to shed a little bit more light on objectives and key results. Let's get a little bit more concrete about how all of this looks and sounds. So imagine with me, if you will, for a moment, that you are the manager of a young, enthusiastic rock band, and they have big dreams of one day playing sold-out stadium tours to tens of thousands of people. They're just starting to take off, and they've been offered their first North American headlining tour in small and medium rock clubs. Everyone's hoping to make this band their full-time job, and they're ready to quit their day jobs, but they're looking to you to make it work financially. Can a band have a mission? Sure. They're on a mission to become a major stadium touring live act. Yeah, it's a little bit audacious, but we're going for audacious. Before the band becomes world famous, we have to figure out if they can quit their day jobs and focus on this first tour. Okay. So your objective could be to run a tour that takes the place of everyone's full-time jobs. If you can accomplish this, it would certainly be a big step in the direction of making the band's dreams come true, and it would also be a big leap from where you are today. Okay, so what key results would you need in order to run a tour that becomes everyone's full-time job? After looking at costs and schedules and talking to the band members about their financial needs, you decide on 3 key results. First, you need to sell at least 90% of the available tickets over the course of the tour. Second, ensure that both you and the band members net at least $15,000 over the course of the tour. And finally, net an additional $5,000 in merchandise profits at each tour stop along the way. And there you have it. A clear, specific roadmap that tells you exactly what matters. Next up, Madison Square Garden or the Hollywood Bowl.